This task count is difficult, and before you solve it, you should understand very clear what's mean reminder and how it's differ from the quotient, from the result of dividing. So in this case, then the result of division of two digit, not whole digit. In this case we have reminder. So I mean some digit can be divisible, some digit cannot be divisible, and in case that it does not, we have reminder. So I will take examples that you will understand what I talking more clear what I talking about. So for example, and of course I will take the simplest one, and for example I want to divide 5 on 2, and we have 1 and 1 divided and half. So in this case reminder it's 2 and half, and in this case the reminder is 1. If I want to divide 7 on the same 2, I have the result is 3 and half. So in case we want to divide 10 on 6, will be 1 and 4 divided on 6. So the point is that, for example, I took the first two examples simply to understand for you what's mean the reminder, like the simplest one. Why I took this example? Because you should understand here that reminder is 4, not 2. Why I write in not 2 and why? Because for example, and this is the question of this task, and I come into to hint how to solve it. This task can be solved two ways: general way and by substitution, and you will find it. But here I come why reminder is 4, not 2, because you can tell me, okay, 10 divided on 4 on 6 equal 1, and and 4 6. So, and you can tell me that we can do some rearrangement, and will be 1 and 2 2. So, and you can tell me that reminder here is 2. And by the way, it's wrong, because reminder here is exactly 4. Reminder is the part, whole part, that remind after division. And in this case, it's also whole part, but we not divided on 3, we divided on 6. So reminder here, it's what we have after dividing on 6. So, and I want to tell you that actually the result, and for example, this task asking you to what happen if divider, for example, m, and divisor, for example n. So what reminder will be, for example, if m we divide on n, the reminder will be r. And what happens if the reminder, with the reminder, what is the reminder when 2m is divided on 2n? It means we need to know the reminder here, and we put here 2m divided on 2n, and we need to know reminder here. And the point is that quotient or result will be the same, of course, but the reminder will be different. Okay, I told you enough to solve this task, and if it's not enough, you need additional hint, or like simply to explain you step by step and like in detail how to solve this task by 2 ways. And by the way, during 15-20 seconds you should go to the link what I put in the comments under this task, and like to buy, I have 100 hardest task SAT, and you can buy it affordable enough, not like it's cost like probably 1-2 lessons what you pay for private lessons. And you will know the 2 ways how to solve this task, and whatever you go